Ever wondered about the magical world of quantum physics? It's a realm that's tinier than a grain of sand, where things operate in ways that are truly mind-boggling. Imagine a world where particles can be in two places at once, where they can interact with each other even if they're miles apart. This isn't the stuff of science fiction, but the bewildering and fascinating world of quantum physics. So buckle up as we dive into this exciting journey. You see, everything around you is made up of tiny building blocks called atoms. Imagine atoms as miniature solar systems, with the sun at the center and planets whizzing around it. But instead of a sun, we have a nucleus made up of protons and neutrons, and instead of planets, we have electrons zipping around in orbits. Now, if we zoom in even further, we'll find that these protons, neutrons, and electrons are themselves made up of tinier particles. It's like a Russian nesting doll, but for the universe. But here's where things start to get really interesting. These particles don't behave like anything we see in our everyday lives. They can do things that seem downright magical or even impossible. And that's where the magic of quantum physics begins. In the quantum world, things get really weird. Have you ever wished you could be in two places at once? Well, in the realm of quantum physics, particles like electrons can do just that. This isn't a magic trick, but a phenomenon known as superposition. Now imagine a world so strange, where particles can be mysteriously linked, like dance partners twirling in rhythm, no matter how far apart they are. This sounds like a fairy tale, but it's a reality in the quantum world, and it's called entanglement. In this strange quantum dance, particles become entangled, meaning their states are instantly connected. If one particle twirls left, its entangled partner, even miles away, will twirl right. This peculiar twosome remains perfectly in sync, regardless of the distance between them. Isn't that something? Particles in two places at once, and electrons performing a synchronized dance across vast distances. Quantum physics is a world that defies our everyday logic, a world that is wonderfully, incredibly weird. But why should you care about quantum physics? You might be surprised to learn that quantum physics is not just some abstract science. It's actually a part of our day-to-day lives. Imagine your life without your computer or your smartphone. Hard, isn't it? Well, the bad news is, without quantum physics, these gadgets wouldn't exist. Quantum physics is at the heart of how these devices function. The transistors in your computer, the heart of its processing power, rely on quantum mechanics. They use the principle of superposition, where particles can be in multiple states at once, to perform complex calculations at incredible speeds. And it's not just computers. Quantum physics is also the secret behind the lasers used in everything from your DVD player to medical equipment. But hold on to your hats, because the quantum fun doesn't stop there. Scientists are now working on quantum computers. These machines could solve problems that would take our current computers billions of years in just a few seconds. Quantum physics is a fascinating field that's shaping our future in ways we can barely imagine. It's taking us to a world where the impossible becomes possible, and the incredible becomes commonplace. So the next time you use your phone, remember the quantum magic at work. The world of quantum physics is full of mysteries and possibilities. It's a universe that beckons us to ask questions, to explore, and to uncover its secrets. The more you delve into it, the more fascinating it becomes. Imagine one day, you could be the one to unravel the next big quantum mystery. So, never stop asking questions. Never stop exploring. Remember, every great journey begins with a question, so keep asking and keep discovering.